Hi, I'm Lorraine from Gracious Mountain Therapies. Welcome back to Echoes from the Mountain Chill Zone, where this week we are diving deeper into our exploration of resilience. Last week we discovered the beautiful Japanese art of kintsugi, mending broken pottery with gold, transforming imperfections into something even more valuable. While kintsugi teaches us valuable lessons about embracing imperfections, today we are venturing further into the wild to uncover other ways nature models resilience. Kintsugi teaches us that brokenness isn't the end, but a chance for a new beginning. Think of a tree that has been struck by lightning. It might be scarred, but it keeps growing, stronger than before. That's nature's kintsugi. And this week, we're going to look for examples of resilience and healing in the world around us. Nature has a whole toolkit for bouncing back from adversity. Think about a forest fire. They can leave behind a landscape that looks barren and lifeless. It may seem devastating at first, but it actually clears out dead wood, making room for new growth. Some seeds, such as pine cones, even need the heat of a fire to germinate. It's like nature's way of saying, okay, time for a fresh start. And before you know it, green shoots are poking through the ash, and life is returning to the scorched earth. It's like nature hitting the reset button. Or consider a river. It might be blocked by a fallen tree, but it doesn't give up. It finds a way around, over, or even through the obstacle. It adapts and continues its journey. Think of nature as the ultimate comeback kid. It faces fires, floods, droughts, and all sorts of challenges. Yet it always seems to find a way to bounce back, stronger than ever before. Nature is also a master of adaptation. Ever seen a cactus thriving in the desert? It's not exactly a lush oasis, but that cactus has figured out how to survive with minimal water and scorching temperatures. It is a true survivor. Let's test your nature knowledge. What animal changes its fur colour to blend in with the snow in winter? That's right, it's the Arctic hare. It's like nature's own camouflage expert. So what can we learn from nature's resilience? A whole lot. When life throws us curveballs, we can channel our inner cactus and find ways to adapt and thrive even in tough conditions. We can embrace change, like a river flowing around a boulder. And we can always remember that even after the darkest of times, there's the potential for new beginnings, just like those seeds sprouting after a fire. This week, we have a photography challenge. It is all about capturing those moments of resilience in the wild. Grab your camera or your phone and head outdoors. We are on the hunt for nature's golden scars, those signs of resilience and repair that show how nature bounces back from challenges. If you don't have access to a camera or phone, then why not think about drawing one of nature's golden scars? Here are some ideas to get you started. It could be something like a tree trunk with moss growing over a wound, a leaf with healed bite marks from an insect, a rock worn smooth by the elements, a rainbow appearing after a storm, a flower blooming through a crack in the pavement, a bird rebuilding its nest after a storm, a stream flowing around rocks, a mountain peak bathed in sunlight after a cloudy day, wildlife adapting to their environment. Just as nature heals, so do we. Take a moment to reflect on a challenge that you have overcome. Think of it as your own personal kintsugi. How has that experience made you stronger? If you'd like to, you could write or sketch about your golden scar. What cracks have you mended? What new beauty has emerged? Let's celebrate the beauty of imperfection together. Share your photos and stories in our online community. Nature's resilience is inspiring, and we can learn a lot from it. Just like a tree bending in the wind, we can learn to be flexible in the face of challenges. Like a river finding a new path, we can learn to adapt to change. And just like a forest recovering from a fire, we can learn to rebuild and renew ourselves. Remember that your scars, like those of kintsugi pottery, are part of your unique story. They are a testament to your strength and resilience. Thank you for joining me on Echoes from the Mountain, Chill Zone. Until next time, keep exploring, keep growing, and keep finding your strength in the world around you.